everybody, it's about to be a blackout. Whole squad turning up, hit the mat and act down. You don't want no problems, I'ma show you what we be about. You won't see us coming when we jumping from the treetops.
Something out of the shadow, now you know I have arrived.
You know you got the breeze, talking solid to the core. This ice on blast, you can feel it through the floor. Blizzard about to really cause chaos with this storm. Better find yourself some shelter, ain't nobody to keep warm. Leave you in the dark when we throw that shade. Be a legacy, yeah, got the haters all afraid, yeah.
I'm rolling out, throwing all that shade, it's pitch black, you look like Spade. We about to dim this light, hope you ready for this fight.
Blizzard this, blizzard that, let us show you what we got.
Blizzard! Coming across the line. Sneaks a little dark in here. Trust me, you have nothing to come in. Take the start. Wanna leave it all behind. Welcome to the other side. Cross the line. Wanna leave it all behind. Welcome to the other side.
Go! Wait a minute, yeah. Stand up, let's go right now. Break down, yeah. Break down, yeah. Get 'em up, hit 'em right now. That's the way we roll, it's party time, so get in line. Hey, ready, set, we got it. Hey, go!
Blizzard!
Bravo encore une autre fois ici pour le séminaire Saint-François, les Blizzards.